let's get into the why of why it was created. Now, one, the time that it takes for a transaction to happen electronically takes at least 2 days. And so while the banks and everyone is waiting on this to be processed, everything's at a standstill. And so one of the reasons was, hey, we gotta stop this standstill. We need to make something that's instant. And again, like I said, money before could be exchanged. I give you the money, you give me exchange, for the money. So someone wanted to do that with digital currency. They said, hey, I want to be able to give you a digital coin or digital money, and in exchange you give me my change in what? Digital money. And they wanted that to be instant, and they did not want anybody to be in the middle of my exchange to you with this digital money. So let's think about it. Now, what happens then? Okay, so we got the why is because, again, we needed the money, we needed to be quicker, and we needed to be where I can go directly to you and you can go directly to me with digital money. All right. Then the other thing is that we wanted it what I'm calling is decentralized. When I don't want a man in the middle, I don't want anyone telling me that, oh, okay, you give me the money, I verify, then I give it to him. Because whoever's in the middle is going to be able to control the money. So I want to be able to pass just like I passed this dollar to you, I want to be able to pass that coin to you. And so we get a peer-to-peer digital money. So that's the why.